Hi, welcome to Lingo Landing, Ryan Home's newest low-maintenance townhome community right here in beautiful Orlando, Florida. Nestled in the heart of an established neighborhood surrounded by mature trees and top-rated schools. Lingo Landing offers an unbeatable opportunity to own brand new construction just minutes from everything Orlando is known for. Our featured home, the Allegro, is a thoughtfully designed 20-foot townhome offering 1,687 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car rear-load garage. Inside, you'll enjoy an open concept main level perfect for entertaining, plus a versatile second floor loft that creates an ideal home office, den, or playroom. You'll also have the option to personalize your space with our thoughtfully designed interior packages, so your home will truly reflect your style from day one. Lingo Landing is designed as an intimate, walkable community of just 54 townhomes, with charming clusters of 6-unit buildings connected by landscape sidewalks. It's the kind of neighborhood where morning dog walks and after-school runs feel friendly and familiar. When it comes to location, it's hard to beat. You're just minutes from the Orlando Airport, downtown Orlando, UCF, and 3 major expressways: 417, 528, and I-4. Whether you're commuting for work, weekend travel, or heading to the theme parks, getting around is effortless. Everyday conveniences are close by too. Grab groceries at Publix or Walmart, spend the day shopping at Lee Vista, Century Plaza, or venture over to Millennium Mall. Dining and entertainment options are plentiful, with nearby favorites such as High Tide Harry's, Don Julio, Pizza Bravo, and Hourglass Brewing. If you love the outdoors, you'll enjoy nearby Dimitri Park, Barber Park, and of course, the iconic Lake Eola Park. Perfect for morning walks or weekends in the sunshine. And when you want entertainment, you're just 30 minutes from Disney, Universal, and 15 minutes from Dr. Phillips Center. Lingo Landing is perfect for first-time home buyers or anyone dreaming of a new construction home close to downtown Orlando. Here you can own a modern, energy-efficient home in an established community with excellent schools and unbeatable conveniences. If you're looking for a place where comfort, accessibility, and low-maintenance living come together, Lingo Landing is the perfect fit. Join our interest list today to be among the first to choose your home site at the best price in this exciting new community. We can't wait to help you call Lingo Landing home.